Before we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, let me tell you a quick story about my first encounter with AI. I asked my virtual assistant to tell me a joke, and it replied, "Why did the robot go on a diet? It had too many bites." Naturally, I chuckled, but then the assistant added, "Besides, I've analyzed your calendar and your fridge inventory. You might want to consider joining me." I realized two things that day. One, AI is clever, and two, it's disturbingly good at judging your life's choices. So if you feel like your gadgets are ganging up on you, don't worry, you're not alone. Now let's talk about how this tech is changing our world, hopefully without pointing out our dietary habits. While AI may not be judging us for sneaking that second slice of cake, it's definitely tracking our preferences and habits, whether we like it or not. Think about it. Your favorite coffee shop app knows exactly when you need that triple shot latte to survive a Monday morning. Your streaming service doesn't just recommend comedies, it somehow knows when you need a feel good rom com to recover from your latest existential crisis. And don't get me started on smart fridges. Mine once alerted me to buy eggs because it noticed I was out. I didn't even know it could do that. Next thing you know, it'll start sending me grocery lists titled, "Get Your Life Together." But AI isn't just about predicting our snack runs or movie marathons. It's transforming industries and reshaping the way we live. In healthcare, AI is diagnosing diseases faster than a seasoned doctor without needing a cup of coffee first. In agriculture, it's optimizing crop yields to fight food shortages. And in education, it's personalizing learning experiences to ensure every student has the chance to thrive. Of course, AI influence extends to our daily routines in ways we don't even realize. Virtual assistants are helping us navigate traffic, manage our schedules, and even answer life's big questions like, "What's the weather today?" or "How do I apologize to my spouse for forgetting our anniversary?" Spoiler alert, there's no AI smart enough to help you with the second one yet. But let's not forget the flip side. While AI can be incredibly helpful, it's not always perfect. Who hasn't had a smart assistant completely misinterpret a voice command? One minute you're asking for local Thai restaurants, and the next you're receiving 14 reminders to buy tie-dye roosters. And heaven forbid you accidentally say, "Order it now." That's how my neighbor ended up with a pallet of beach balls delivered to his driveway. The humor aside, this highlights a crucial point. AI is only as good as the data and systems we create for it. Sure, it can identify patterns and make predictions, but it doesn't have the same understanding, empathy, or context that humans bring to the table. It's great at optimizing, but it doesn't know why we do what we do or when to let us sneak that donut without judgment. The potential of AI is staggering, but so is the responsibility that comes with it. It's not just a tool for convenience. It's becoming a partner in decision making, a collaborator in creativity, and sometimes even a substitute for human connection. The question we need to ask ourselves isn't just, "What can AI do?" but "What should AI do?" So as we dive into how this technology is reshaping our world, let's keep a few things in mind. First, AI is here to enhance our lives, not replace what makes us human. Second, a little humility goes a long way, especially when your smart speaker insists it knows more about your schedule than you do. And finally, whether it's algorithms, robots, or even smart refrigerators, let's never lose sight of the fact that technology should serve us, not the other way around. So let's explore this brave new world of AI together, one bite, one breakthrough, and maybe even one donut at a time. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, it's not every day we get to witness a revolution that's as exciting as it is unpredictable. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.